All right, we're live. Let's try this again. So as you guys can see right here, this was kind of the gold trade for me. No pun intended. It was a golden trade, and I mean it turned out to be great. You know, we were looking for that bounce off this bottom trend line, possibly before we pushed back up, which we didn't get it, but it did hit our TP here. So if you go back, and I want everyone to go back to Carbon Capital's YouTube channel and go watch the pre-CPI markup that we did, and then come back here and watch this video and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So if we zoom in on this, let's take a look. So this was the gold markup, and when we were doing the zoom, live stream, both of them actually, you're going to notice right in this area is where we said we're going to start shorting gold. So we put in a gold short right here with our stop loss being the last zone up here on the 1 hour. So your stop loss was anywhere in here depending on how many pips you wanted to play it and depending on the risk that you wanted to take. As you can see, never got close to the stop loss up here. We did take a little bounce. This 2050.57 that you see over here, this was going to be our break. So I said if anything breaks above this zone, you might as well consider this trade gone because we're going to push up from there. And this was the CPI right here. It pushed up, boom, right there, and then come back down, hit our trend line, which was our TP1, and just kind of stayed in this area, give us a retest, and then dropped and hit TP. So you can see this was our entry right here. That was our closure. And we closed exactly in that gray area, which is where we wanted to, and it took a nice little bounce. Now, I mean, obviously this thing could continue to go up, it could continue to go down. We don't know. At this point, it's consolidating in the same area, but this was the trade that we were looking for. This was all we were looking for. Very small trade on this setup. If you go and look, you're going to see that right here was the trade that we had. Just do this right here. Go into custom period. Let's do last week. And there it was. There was our sell for gold that you see right here. And then there was our TP exited. So it's $2,887 trade and 19 cents. And like I said, risk on this one was pretty minimal. I mean, you can look at that versus profit. As far as US 30 is concerned, we didn't technically get the push that we wanted. We did say that, I said that we could get up from this 33,697. If we closed up above this area, we'd go up to this gray box. If we rejected this area, we would push down to the gray box. And if you go over here and look at the 30-minute on this, when you zoom out, you're going to see that we rejected that area pretty hard through here, and we tapped the gray box to a T and then took that bounce up. So pretty simple setup, not a lot to go over here. I didn't take the US 30 trade on this account. If you guys do follow me on Instagram or anywhere else, you'll notice that I've been holding my sells. So I didn't take any additional entries as I'm just holding those current sells that we have at the moment. So stay tuned. Next week, we're going to do another market update. I plan to do these on Wednesday and or Thursday for Carbon Capital and just see what we can get. And we got gold. So at least we nailed one of them. If you did take the US 30 trade, you nailed it. I personally didn't take any new positions on it because I was already holding the sells from the prior week that we had. So that's it. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. So for all you mothers out there, I hope you have a great Mother's Day. And we'll see you on the charts. Y'all have a good one.